often take stimulant drugs. What are the dangers?
Taking stimulant drugs is often used as a shortcut to trigger sexual arousal.
But what are the dangers to health?
Sexual arousal can decrease for a number of reasons.
The causes of decreased sex drive include poor relationships with partners, stress, tiredness of work, and consumption of certain drugs.
In order to arouse sexual desire, some people decide to take stimulant drugs.
This action is even done without consulting a doctor. In fact, there are effects of stimulant drugs that can be dangerous if taken carelessly. Stimulant drugs that are sold freely are not completely safe for health. What are the consequences of taking stimulant drugs without a doctor's supervision?
Sexual stimulant drugs are sold freely in the market. Unfortunately, not all of these drugs are registered with the Food and Drug Supervisory Agency (BPOM). Drugs that are not yet officially registered or registered with BPOM are more likely to have a negative impact on health. Moreover, sexual stimulant drugs have not been medically proven to be able to function as expected. So, you should avoid using products that are not clear and have not been medically proven. Yes. For those of you, especially men, who like to take sexual stimulant drugs such as Viagra and sildenafil, there are various side effects of stimulant drugs that can be experienced, for example,
heart disease,
uncontrolled high hypertension or low hypotension blood pressure,
eye disorders, retinitis pigmentosa,
severe liver disease, cirrhosis,
kidney problems that require dialysis. For women, there are two types of drugs that can overcome the problem of decreased libido, namely flibanserin and bremelanotide.
Adverse effects after taking female stimulant drugs that can appear include decreased blood pressure,
dizzy, fatigue, nauseous, vomit, headache, skin rash.
Strong drugs or stimulants are very likely to cause side effects. So, its use should be consulted with a doctor first. You can ask doctors online to make consultations easier, more practical, and more comfortable. Instead of relying solely on stimulant drugs, couples who have sexual problems should consult a sexologist or andrologist. So, the solution to the sexual problems faced can be known. You should avoid taking stimulant drugs if you are experiencing sexual problems.
Instead of getting satisfaction, dangerous health problems can occur.